Hey guys, we're in Walker's Creek in the heart of North End of St. Catharines. The best trails, the best parks, the best schools, and somewhere where Carl and his wife have chosen to raise their family, and we think you should raise yours.
And this is 615 Lake Street, a rare 4-bedroom up, 2,200 square foot home with mature landscaping and this beautiful pool. And on days like today, I wouldn't rather be anywhere else. Cheers.
She felt like rest in her head. My shoulder was the perfect height. We fit so right. So what's going on? Cause I've been undone. The long drive, the coastline, looking at her first light. Am I still on her mind? I've been